After years of lean research and development, our company has launched a new type of ice-cold fiber micro powder pulverizing machine. The machine can grind beans, whole corn, naked oats, buckwheat and other materials. The machine consists of ice water air compressor, homogenizer, yield turning disc, double layer grinding chamber, powder impeller, intelligent powder humidifier, intelligent automatic weigher, bearing chamber, fan, pulse, cyclone, airlock, integrated electronic control system, etc. This machine is used in miscellaneous grain enterprises. The fineness of milling can be adjusted from 80mm to 20mm, and the constant temperature grinding chamber ensures no loss of powder and trace elements. Match fine powder. The power consumption per ton of material is only 55 degrees, which is lower than traditional pulverizers. The double layer milling chamber makes the ice water of 0 to 1 degrees circulate, so as to ensure that the material is kept at normal temperature. Powder fineness from 80 to 20mm, adjustable within 5 seconds. Flow-like operation, low failure, small footprint, and low investment. The main and auxiliary motors can realize frequency conversion, speed regulation. The intelligent ultrasonic spray humidifier can evenly humidify the powder in a large space. Innovative intelligent coarse grain micro pulverizer replaces traditional roller mill. Follow Wing Tong to learn more about micro powder processing equipment and process knowledge.